Hi guys, welcome to Eat with Sweets. And today we are going to make the giant Ferrero Rocher. Let's make a big nut. Put some sugar in the saucepan with a heavy bottom and put it on medium heat. Without stirring, let the sugar melt completely. When the sugar is light brown, remove from the heat and add the chopped nuts. Mix thoroughly. Make sure that all nuts are sugared. We need 2.5 inches silicone hemisphere mold. Put the nuts into the mold and press them tightly. In order to get one big nut, we need to fill 2 hemispheres with sugared nuts. We need 5.5 inches hemisphere mold. Cover it with a foil. Melt milk chocolate in the microwave. Stir every 20 seconds. Break the wafers into pieces. Take one piece of the wafer, cover it with the melted chocolate and place it into the mold. Cover the mold closely in the same way. Put it into the fridge for 30 minutes. Take the mold out of the fridge and fill it with Nutella. Leave 5 mm before reaching the edges. Put one hemisphere with nuts in the middle of the mold filled with Nutella. Then press it gently until it sinks inside to the same level with Nutella. Put the mold into the freezer for 1 hour. Take it out of the freezer, remove from the mold and put it back into the freezer while we are doing the second hemisphere of the candy. Repeat the process. When 2 halves are completely set, take them out of the freezer and remove the foil from one half. Spread some Nutella on both halves. Don't cover the nuts. Combine 2 halves, press them gently and remove the excess Nutella. Put it into the freezer for 30 minutes. Melt the milk chocolate in the microwave. Stir every 30 seconds. Add chopped nuts and mix. Take the candy out of the freezer, remove the foil and put it onto a plate. Cover one half of the candy with the chocolate and put it into the fridge for 15 minutes. Take the candy out of the fridge, turn it over and cover the second half with the chocolate. Put the candy into the fridge until the chocolate is set. We did it! Look at this! It's perfect size and taste. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give thumbs up, subscribe and share it.